Robert Earl, FlipFlopaneer.com. Email marketing is a key component within an affiliate marketing venture. Your ability to capture contact information and follow up with those contacts will make or break your business. In this video, I'm going to give you a review and tutorial of the Aweber email marketing system, including features and pricing. Now, if you're new to this channel, I invite you to drop anchor, hit the subscribe button, click on the bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. Let's jump into Aweber email marketing. All right, the link that I've provided below this video or on the web page will take you here to the Aweber system. Now, if you're like me, you could jump right into the free trial, but the first thing that you're going to check out is the pricing on the Aweber system. So there is a free trial. Let's go ahead and find out the details of how long that free trial is and what's included. Like a lot of email marketing systems, the pricing for Aweber is based upon the number of subscribers. So they have different tiers or different levels depending upon the number of subscribers that you have, and then also based upon how you are paying. It's charged on a monthly basis versus a quarterly versus an annual. So if you jump from the monthly at $19 a month for the up to 500 subscribers, when we go to quarterly, then we see that there is a savings that occurs, and when we go to the annual basis, there's a slight savings that if you're paying for the annual basis in comparison to the monthly. So $19 a month up to 500 subscribers. No need to do any additional setup when you move from the 500 to 2500. It's just going to jump up by the $10 a month in additional portion. This does give you unlimited sending, the drag and drop from the email, the library that goes through, so you can pick out pre-written, whether they be messages or templates that you'll be able to pick out yourselves. Different native integrations, we're going to touch upon those a little bit, and then the pre-built reports. So there's no difference based upon whichever level you're on, unlike, say, an active campaign where certain features are only available at certain tiers. Here you get all of the features no matter which pricing level you're on. So let's talk about some of the features that are available within the Aweber system. Your ability to create your emails, landing pages, being able to put together these landing pages that will populate in there, your ability to do your email creation with a drag and drop system, and then the template library, as we talked about, of pre-written headers, footers, different formats for your email messages. So let's go ahead and jump in and start out on the free trial and find out the details of the free trial. So the free trial takes you here to a sign up page that does require you to put in billing information. There's even a information here, why do we need your credit card? And they do collect the credit card because at the end of the 30-day period, when the free trial is over, they go ahead and automatically bill the next month. So is the free trial limited to any of the access or features? No, it does not, and you can change plans later. There are no other setup fees. So some great frequently asked questions there that are covered as you go through the setup process. You do have the option here of doing the monthly, the quarterly, and the annually. It is defaulting to the quarterly, and then the agreement to their service agreement. So I'm going to go ahead and get signed up, and I'll join you once I get done having this set up right here. Okay, once I hit submit for my order, it sent me an email. That email allowed me to verify my email address and set up a password for the account. So I've gone ahead and done that, and now I'm here in a 3-step wizard to create my first email list. Now the email list is where I'm going to contain the names and email addresses of people that sign up. So this is going to be my first segmentation of what I have. And so this isn't Robert Earl's company. We're going to set it as the web address information that's there, Flip-Flopaneer, have all of the details in there. Where my reply to email addresses are in there, I can adjust that after the account is set up. Okay, so here I'm naming the particular list. In this particular case, I'm just going to call it my newsletter list. And the list description is here so that people know when they reach the unsubscribe that they'll be able to see what company that this was from. Okay, now I'm setting up my confirmation message. So this has the information in here for there to be a subject line to confirm the subscription that somebody goes to. And then I do have the ability to change the information. It will show them the list name and the company details that goes in here. I can edit this message content. I'm not going to do that at this particular time. I'm going to go ahead and set up the list and get going. Okay, when we first get to adding subscribers to our list, we have the ability to manually import our subscribers. If I have more than 10 subscribers, then I can copy and paste those and upload them in. So I do have the ability to take a CSV file or information that I've already collected, and I do have the ability to upload that information here into my subscriber list. Now, at any time you see up here which particular list that we're working with, I'm going to go ahead and go through the tabs to show you what you can expect within the Aweber system. So here on the dashboard, I have the ability to build the list or add additional subscribers onto here. I also can create a landing page that would allow me to collect additional email addresses. I can go ahead and create an email. Now, it does have an opportunity here. It says to design an email using your website brand or use a drag and drop editor. I did try that with my website. It did not accept my website, so I was a little disappointed in being able to do this. I would have to go into build your own and then connecting the integration. So let's go ahead and go through the different steps that are here on the dashboard and talk about the details. We've already seen the list of adding subscribers. Let's go ahead and take a look at the landing page section. Okay, we're here at the landing page section, and you'll see that it has different examples of landing pages that are available. And has different titles on them, whether it be someone registering for a webinar in this particular case, or just a simple sign up, personal promotion, a book promotion. I'm just going to go ahead and preview or pull up the information here of choosing the template for a simple sign up. So here we have the landing page system within Aweber, and it is a drag and drop system, very similar to a lot of the other form builder or funnel systems that are on the marketplace. You have the ability to click on a particular item and make the changes right in the item, and then if you want to do different alignments or drag in either different functions, you have the ability to do so. So it does let you know up here in the upper right what list that you're working with, and then you're able to work with the design of the system and then doing the particular settings, hitting the title, the description, putting in any of your Google Analytics or your Facebook Pixel. It has the ability for you to put in the IDs that are here. When we have the landing page completed, we could go ahead and publish this. We can either do so by sending individuals to the Aweber site where they will host the particular page. So I've gone ahead and hit published, and now when I click on the particular link, then the landing page will show up here, and there'd be information that would then direct them back to the page that I identify. So there, that quickly, I've been able to create a landing page that would collect a name and email, be able to give the sign up. It has the validation already built into the system. So let's go through some of the other menu options that are on here. I have the complete opportunity to do all of my messages and do my email messages by having particular campaigns that I'm going through. I can manage my subscribers. I can add new subscribers, import the history. I can also create sign-up forms We've gone through the landing pages. I have different reports that I'll be able to do, and then information on the list, including custom fields and tags that I'll be able to do, and a level of list automation. So let's jump into the forms, and then we'll come back over to the list automation. So here I am on the sign up forms, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new sign up form. Going to create a basic name email form. So here we are at the design of form screen, and there are a number of templates that I could use. As you see, there is just a base form that's here. As I talked about, a name, an email, a submit. I could change any of the information that's on this particular form. I could add tags over here on this side to anyone that submits this particular form that would allow me to do additional segmentation. I can put additional tags with the commas that are on here. When I set the settings on here, I can name the form. I can also send it to a either hosted thank you page, or I can submit it to a custom page or a URL that I've already created. And if somebody comes to the form and they're already subscribed, I have the ability to go through the options and determine what I want to do there. When you're done with your form, unlike the landing page, you do have the opportunity to install this form as far as HTML on a different website. You can send the information to a web designer that'll send an email, and they'll have a container of the HTML. Or you can use this form as a landing page that would be hosted on the Aweber system to be able to send over so that they would be leaving your site, filling out the form, and then as you identified that thank you page, you could then take them back to your site. In most cases, what we want to work with is the HTML. Like an ActiveCampaign system, we have the ability to do a snippet of code with the JavaScript, or we have the ability to go in and have all of the raw HTML, which would also include our CSS settings to be able to format how we want to have this display. We would just go ahead and copy and paste this and include it into, say, our WordPress site, into a text or an HTML container or content block. Regarding the automation system that is included, you have a couple different list automations that you can do. Your subscriber automations, if you use multiple lists, then you'd be able to create a automation that would move somebody. This is how you could potentially create a pipeline type of system that moves them from being a prospect to actually a customer. And so this would, if they have taken the action of you can subscribe them to a list, unsubscribe them for a particular list, etc., as they go through the different forms. The page hit automation is the ability for you to have a base event tracking that you'd be able to go in, set up this event tracking when someone hits a particular page. Then you could put this in that if it's an exact match or it contains your automation. This is where if someone were to visit have already signed up, but they visited your, say, pricing page or frequently asked questions or a particular product page, then you'd have the ability to add tags to the prospect or remove the tags, and this would help you with different portions of your automation. Okay, the last part I'm going to look at here is the integrations. We want to have the ability for the Aweber system to talk with other systems so that we're able to connect our apps that we have or different programs that are available. When we take a look at the available integrations, it indicates that there are over 1,000 integrations at the time of this filming for you to be able to link together. So you can use an Aweber form with a ClickFunnels funnel and have that code display on the particular page or integrate it with the form. Same type of thing with the WordPress, to be able to have a form on your WordPress site. PayPal, Facebook, Lead Pages. They also have the third-party integration with Zapier, and one of the ways in which we're going to point out in other videos of a ClickFunnels type of alternative would be with the Thrive themes. There's also the ability to integrate in with the Divi elegant themes and other elegant themes, including Bloom. So there's a number of available integrations that you would be able to set up and go through the steps so that your form on your sites is able to populate your email database. I went ahead and selected the WordPress plugin integration. And what it did is it took me over to a knowledge base article that is a step-by-step setup of integrating in the Aweber for WordPress plugin. And I'm going to do that at a different time. But as you see, it takes you through step-by-step of the plugins that you'd be able to do, including entering in your authorization code. So there you have it. We've gone through, we've taken a look at the Aweber system, gone through the different messages that you can send, the campaigns that you could set up, your subscriber list, took a look at creating a sign-up form, a landing page. There are different reports that are available to let you know what's going on with your email list. And then we talked a little bit about tags and the list automations. Then we jumped over here to the integrations. So powerful system, very affordable for you to get up and running, and it's a tiered system. So as you are going and your subscriber list is growing, then your prices will jump up incrementally. So I want to thank you in advance for taking a moment to leave a comment down below, for pressing the like button. Let me know, are you currently working with Aweber? Are you going to give it a try based upon this? You can find out more information about this topic, email marketing or internet marketing, all of the aspects of affiliate marketing at flipflopaneer.com. Thank you so much for taking the time. Click one of the other videos, and we'll see you next time.